Alright everybody, today we're doing something a little bit different. We are not doing a fish video. We are at Oatland Island Wildlife Center in Savannah, Georgia. We're going to look around this place. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to go ahead and donate to help preserve all this wildlife. Oatland is the home to 40 different species of animals that are all either being rehabilitated or are unfit to live in the wild. But before we check that out, we're going to have a montage. Alright guys, so upon arriving at Oat Island, I learned that not all of the enclosures contain animals. The cougar is not here. We did get this sweet map. The foxes aren't here, and we cannot look at the enclosures inside the main building, but the gift shop is open. So once you get here, you just walk along these yellow paws and it will lead you right to the main trail, as we're going right now. And it should be a good time. I'm excited to see what we got. I don't know what else is here. I heard alligators, that'd be cool. So let's head on down this main trail right here. Alright, we're coming up on the first enclosure. What have we got here? Looks like we got two different species over here. Sorry about the finger. Little screech owls. Looks like two of them, maybe?
Oh, yeah. Do they really screech?
Yes, they do. And over here, we have a barred owl. Both the barred owl and the screech owls both have the same appetite, actually. They both eat mice, other small varmint, anything they can catch, basically, that's of small size. Unless there is like a rotting carcass around, then they'll gladly pick at some of that as well. Such a cool creature. Whoa, check this out. Mushroom. Here we are, Alligator Wetlands. Let's go see what we got here. Now I know you can't see the size comparison, but that alligator skull is about 2 feet long, guys. Crocodiles can be 25 feet long. This one was 12 feet. Crazy. I don't see anything over here, but alligators, you'll never see one covered like this.
You see him over there?
Oh, here we go.
Another one right there.
There's some alligators. These guys are far away, but I'm betting they're over 10 feet. They look pretty big from here. The American alligator is a carnivore, so it eats meat, so fish, deer, anything it can catch that's on shore trying to get a drink of water. And occasionally they'll mistake a human for food. It's unfortunate but true. So when you're in the south, you gotta watch for alligators. Make sure you don't get got. Let's go to the next place. I don't think I see anything over there. Alright, we're coming up on the Cougar Habitat. We know it is not here, but we're gonna check it out and see if there's any information that we didn't know on here, and see what the living conditions of this cougar would be if it was here. Got a nice shaded area with a bench, some pretty thick glass or plexiglass. It's over here. Let's see. What's in the name? They're known as cougars, pumas, American jaguars, mountain lions. I got a pretty big area here too. That's impressive. Here's a map of the coastal region. Let's look around. If you guys have made it this far in the video, please just hit that thumbs up button for me. It'll help me out a lot with the algorithm and all that jazz, and help grow the channel and help me make more videos for you guys. Let me know you like it. What do we got here? Some baby fish splashing around. I can't tell you what they are. I know fish is my thing, but this is salt water, and I don't know too much about that, especially wild salt water. Oh, you see that?
Yeah, all the baby fish are swimming out of this mouth, so they're gonna die.
Man, I wish I had a fishing pole. Alright, I believe the bobcats are the next enclosure. Let's go see what that's all about. Alright, here we are. We're at the bobcat enclosure. Let's go see what we got here. Alright, there's one right here. There's another one down a little bit. Show you guys him right now. I think there might only be two here. Two looks like the right number. They're also carnivorous. They'll get anything smaller than them they can catch. Got a bunch of stuff to jump on in here. Pretty decent area.
That isn't a bobcat.
Here we are at the next enclosure. It's the white-tailed deer enclosure. These deers are a little bit more on the friendly side. They do have a coin machine that has deer feed in it, and you throw a quarter in there and you can feed them. I just so happen to not have any quarters on me. But as you can see, these deers are not afraid of people. They come right up to you. Whoa, got another deer.
Hey, girls. Hey.
Bye, deers. After the deers, you get to the road. Make sure you look both ways. Here we are, birds of prey. First one is a red-tailed hawk. This one seems to be a younger hawk. It hasn't grown into its red tail yet. They also eat things such as mice, rabbits, snakes, anything it can catch. They're carnivorous. And let's go on over to the next one. And here we have a red-shouldered hawk. I've never seen one of these in person, but they are a beautiful creature. Just look at this guy. They also are carnivorous. They eat the same thing as the red-tailed hawk, any smaller animal that they can catch. Got some pterodactyl eggs. In this enclosure, we have a barn owl. Can't see them, but they're just the same as the other owls on diet, smaller size. And here we have black vultures, also known as turkey vultures. They're pretty cool. They're scavengers. They eat anything they can find that's already dead that they do not have to hunt. That is meat. Also a carnivorous diet. And here we have a great horned owl. These guys get huge, up to 3 feet tall. They also hunt. They're more of a nocturnal creature. They get small mice, all that stuff. Baldy. Now this is America. Oh, it smells like bald eagles over here.
Because there is eagles over here.
Oh, alright. Bald eagles are called bald eagles because they have a white head, making them appear bald. They also are the one species that makes the largest nest. The largest nest ever recorded was 13 feet deep and 8 feet wide. They are the national bird of the United States of America, and they eat primarily fish and rodents. Check out this pond. I know it looks dirty, but this is just plant life on top. I bet you the water quality of this pond is immaculate. The water clarity is probably crystal clear. Maybe we'll see another alligator.
That's okay.
Yeah. I bet you underneath this water is clean enough to drink. Check out all these little turtles. Honestly, I can't tell you what kind of turtles they are. I can't really see them. Oh, let's see if this works. Oh, you guys see that? Let me zoom in. That is an American alligator. Looks like a little blue herring over there. trying to vlog and all I can hear is this helicopter. Unreal. Unreal. See, look, everything's covered in Spanish moss. The story behind the Spanish moss is there was a Native American princess that was buried at the bottom of a live oak tree, and her braids after time became gray and were carried up into the tree and hanging from the branches. So now everything is covered in live moss, and it just kept spreading with the wind, and that's what we got. Y'all ready to see some wolves? I hope so. Let's see. Wolves are pack animals, and they have an alpha male and an alpha female. The alpha male and female only breed once a year with one litter. They're also carnivorous, and they hunt anything that the pack can catch. I believe that we're looking at our alpha male right now. This is the eastern indigo snake. It's the largest snake species in North America. You can find them in Florida, southern Georgia, Alabama, and Mississippi. They reach up to 8 feet long, and they are non-venomous. They might be black, but they're beautiful. You get tints of green, yellow, purple, or should I say indigo. See in the back?
Oh my god.
They're beautiful.
Yeah. There's one in here. Nope.
This is a rough green snake. They're commonly found in trees. Their primary method of defense is to remain very still, and they mostly eat insects and other small invertebrates. This one was found on the property of Oatland Island and laid 3 eggs, and the babies were released into the wild. Pretty adorable for a snake, I'm not gonna lie. They also got a list of all the butterflies that you will see in Georgia, and a lot of the native birds. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got these back home, that's for sure. Typical cow. Look at this, this is a donk. What's up, donk? A donkey. Whoa, chill donkey.
Chill, man. Chill, man. Can I pet? Hey, donkey. Can I pet you?
Don't climb, bud.
Can I pet him? I want to pet him. I can't pet him.
There you go, bud.
Whoa.
You don't like. Most of the main building is closed with a bunch of enclosures in it because of social distancing, but in the gift shop you do have this small American alligator. Alright y'all, that was my trip through Oatland Island Wildlife Center. If you enjoyed this video, please just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification icon to get more great content. Until then, peace.